Buenas, Three Brothers are roofing on the roof inspection, and we find some wind damage. Okay, so this is the wind damage, and we have to see how bad is the wood under. It looks really bad, but we don't know until we open. Okay, and the project beginning by remove those shingles, and we have to see how is the condition of the wood, but is feel really soft in that area. Okay, and right here we are ongoing with removing the shingle, but those shingle is in really bad condition because all the nails is gone. Basic like the nails not holding anything. So yeah, not a problem. Three Brothers are roofing, the solution for any roof leak repair. We are ongoing with the project. Oh, and this is what we find it. This wood is really bad. Yeah, sácala ya. Más allá está podrido. Okay, so and we're gonna see how it's here. Oh yeah, this is really bad. Yeah, we can see like really hole is going here. Yeah. Okay, that's no good. But no problem. Three Brothers are roofing, the solution to provide any roof leak repair, and that's what we're doing here. We are working on the residential asphalt shingles. Okay, and this is how it looks from the top. Okay, Three Brothers are roofing, the solution. Next step, keep removing the bad wood. Oh, look at that, the homeowner has a bucket to hold the water. That's all right, no problem. We're gonna fix it and guarantee no more leaking after Three Brothers done with the project. Okay, and let's see how it is looks like. Oh yeah, it has water in. Yeah, that leak was bad. Oh, there is another big one. I didn't saw that one. Yeah, this is this one. Oh no, this one has no water, but the small one, yes. So yeah, no problem. Right here we are splitting the water. Yeah, all right. Okay, now we are using the blower to remove all the debris. And next step, we're gonna start cutting the plywood, install the new plywood, and good to go. Yeah. So step by step, Three Brothers are roofing on residential asphalt shingles leak repair specialist. Residential, commercial, repair or replacement, not a problem. We are the solution. Okay, so now we'll start cutting all the wood, the damaged one, and we're gonna replace with the new one. Okay, we have the new wood there, ready. Okay, time to remove the old plywood. Here we go. Okay, step by step, removing old plywood. Now time to install the new plywood. And we have the ice shield ready. Okay, Three Brothers are roofing, over 25 years of experience, and yeah, here we go with this repair. Okay, so now we are cleaning all the debris that is on the top of the insulation. Okay, so that's how Three Brothers are roofing work. Taking all the debris, make sure it's clean, and to be ready for the new plywood. Okay, and let me see how is the condition of the drywall. Oh wow, that looks really bad. So I think this homeowner has to change this insulation because it's really wet. Three Brothers are roofing will not replace an insulation. We are specialized on roofing only. Let's see this side. This side looks a little bit okay. And what about here? Yeah, that's bad. No problem, but this one is the worst one. Yeah, no problem. I think before, yeah, so yeah, we have ready the new wood. Here we go with the installation. All right, fits perfect. Okay, all the plywood has been installed, and now we are ready for the ice shell. And next step, install the new shingles. Good to go. Okay, now the new plywood has been installed, and we are leveling using some dimensional shingle. As we know, the old roof was like 3 layers, so we have to level so the new shingle will look nice and flat. All right, next step, install wooden ice shell. Okay, now we are ready for the ice shell. Here we go with the ice shell installation. This video is for education about roof leak repair projects. If you like those kind of content, subscribe to our channel, give us a comment, or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Okay, follow us on YouTube. Here we go with the project. Next step, install the shingles. Okay, plywood replaced, ice shell installed. Now installing the new shingle. Here we go with this project. All right. Here we are ongoing with the installation. All right. This is different techniques from the dimensional shingle. All right. 3 brothers are roofing on roof leak repair projects. So this project is 95% completed. We just clean it up and good to go. Okay, so at this point the project is completed, and we just blowing the roof, make sure everything is clean, and here we go. Another project completed by 3 brothers a roofing company. Okay, that's it for today. See you guys next time. Chop chop.